Hey, this is Hans. It's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one from Indonesia. Sedaap Kari. Curry. She likes it. So, oh, very, very good. So, 3 minutes on the boil, and then add in, look at that, a dual sachet dry seasoning and some chili powder. Feels like fried onion, and then a curry paste oil fandango. So let's put it in here. 3 minutes. I'm stoked. You guys have no idea how stoked I am. Hi, Mimi. Hi, Miles. Mimi. So, this has been like a long time coming to actually get 3 reviews done in a day. And here we are. It's the third one of the day. Let's do our quote from Momo Fukuendo Speaks. Number 74. Passive efforts to cut costs will not prove effective. We need to meet the challenge head on. Oh. Whose head's on the chopping block, Mr. Ondo? We've got to cut costs. It's time to pay the price. Yeah, so I'm so curious what the future holds. You're like way out in the future. You're like weeks after you even have a president yet. I'm sure you do. I'm sure you got some grumpy people too. But whatever. People are always gonna be grumpy. Haters gotta hate. So. Yeah. All this political crap is kind of tiring. I'm good. I'm with the fly. Just let me chill out on a nice white sandy beach. You know, listen to the soft silky tones of Pence just like yammering. Yeah. No, but it's been a windy day and the sun's out and I want to go walking later, but I have a feeling that's just not going to happen. I have a feeling the sun's going to go away. You never know. I'm doing a time lapse right now. I've got my video camera over there and it's, I wonder if you can see it. You look way out there. All the way over there, there's like that black tripod, monopod. That's my, that thing has a cell phone on it. So yeah. And we have 32 seconds, ladies and gentlemen, till the magic begins. The magic in the bowl of Indonesian curry. Shouldn't be too tough. Stirring. We're down to 15 seconds, coming in for a landing. Put your tray tables and your seat backs forward. This flight to Indonesia is about to be over. And we're going to add the sachet contents, and here we go! Alright. Now it's time to travel to the exotic land of Indonesia. Speaking of, my eyesight's so bad. I know, I got new glasses, but that doesn't fix it. But, not too far from here is this place called Warung Jajanan. And my buddy... Oh, did you see that? Oh boy. From here on out, I'm good though. I got batteries in the batteries in my cameras. But anyways, the power will go out right as soon as I'm done, not before. But yeah, Warung Jajanan, it's an Indonesian grocery / restaurant in Edmonds, Washington on Highway 99, just a touch north of 99 Ranch Market. I tell you what, go visit him. Do some business with him. Buy stuff. Buy your Indomie there. Buy everything there. Tell him the Ramen Raider sent you. No, him and his wife are just the nicest people, and that food he makes is just like the bomb. Yeah, I haven't been in there. It's been way too long. But that guy, he knows his stuff, and he's had a rough run, so go drop a hundy in that place, or a hundo, however you want. Get 100 of your friends, go drop a hundo at Warung Jajanan, and you'll be glad you did. Cater your next thing there. If you're really busy already, dude, I'm really sorry, but I just wanted to name drop you. But when I think Indonesia, I think my buddy Jonathan. Oh, Miles, what are you doing out there? Here's our curry broth. That's good. I'm getting kind of like almost like a buttery, creamy curry. Very oily. This is the one I've been looking for. I had this a long time ago when it had different packaging. Uh-oh, the kids are hitting each other. The kids are going to baby jail. You ready for your timeouts? Timeout! No, they just ignore me now. Whoa. And now, and this is a good noodle too. This is a nice setup. I like it. So there's our noodle. I'm gonna add in some mung bean sprouts. Figure out that coriander. We got some fish bowls. Time out. Go sit down and shush. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here. Parenting. Okay. So let's. It's like they were doing so good too. It's just been such a battle over these last few days, I gotta say. Just not listening and being all around naughty. You guys are being naughty. Some of those beautiful eggs. Thank you again to my absolutely, ultimately, insanely, perfectly wonderful wife. Five minutes and 55 seconds. Yeah, you're Miles, all right. Don't worry, Miles. I'll be out there in a few, and we'll hang out and good stuff like that. But for now, Papa's cooking ramen. So what she does is she likes him to get in trouble. When he gets in trouble, she thinks it's really, really funny. But then she doesn't have the forethought to know that I can realize that. Just eggs and mom. And then he goes and realizes it and gets cranky with her. And then she starts yelling. Right about... No, Miles, you stop that now. All done. Shush. No treats. No happy times. Baby jail. There it goes. I need to have my children to bark. Does anybody have a good dog to barker? Alright, let's let this happen. I just want to have fun. I guess it's true. Girls just want to have fun. All right. Curry. Yeah. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Yeah, check out Jonathan's place. Yeah, Edmonds, Washington on 99. Just north. There's like a car collision place, and there's like this little mini mall. There's like a bubble tea joint, a smoke shop, and there's this little Indonesian place with the nicest people inside and really good tasty stuff. You will be glad you did, so do it. Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye. Alright. Bye.